Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing lesson 44, finding the slope of a line using the slope formula. A few days ago we did a lesson where we learned to count the boxes, rise over run to find the slope. Today we're going to learn the actual formula to find the slope. All we need is two sets of points, or ordered pairs. So let's write down this formula. So in math, the slope is always called m. So in any equation it uses slope is m. Let's note that over here. So we need two ordered pairs, and it doesn't matter which one you pick to be 0.1 and which one you pick to be 0.2. But we're going to call them x1, y1 for 0.1 and x2, y2 for 0.2. You can pick these in any order you want, but once you pick which point is number 1, then both of that x and y have to be the 0.1. So we take any 2 points on the line, or usually these will be given to you, and all you're going to do is rise over run. So rise is how much it moves up and down, so that's y. So we do 0.2y minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And that is all there is to the slope formula. This is what we need. Okay, so let's try this out. Example 1 in the book says determining the slope from 2 points. So this is like when they just give you two ordered pairs. So part A, the pairs are 2, 4 and 6, 6. Now remember, let's write down the slope formula. M equals M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick this 6, 6 to be 0.2 and 2, 4 to be 0.1. So now all I have to do is plug in the numbers. So y2 would be 6 minus y1 would be 4 divided by x2 is 6 minus x1 is 4, or is 2, excuse me. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, so the slope of this line would be 1/2. That is all there is to it. So let's try another example where we've got this idea. Part B says the 2 points are negative 4, 4 and 4, negative 2. Now again, I'm just going to make the second one 0.2, the first one 0.1. You can do it the other way, you will get the same answer. So it does not matter which one you pick to be 0.1. So slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is 4 over x2 is 4 minus x1 is negative 4. So negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. 4 minus negative 4 is actually plus 4, so this is 8. Negative 6 over 8 is negative 3/4. Now, notice this line is negative, so that means when I draw this on the graph, it's going to go downhill, whereas this one will go uphill. Okay, so another way we can find slope is by using an XY table. So if they don't give you 2 points, instead they give you the XY table, we can find the slope pretty easily still. So these can all be rewritten as ordered pairs, like this would be 5, 6, 10, comma 0, 40, comma negative 12. So all we need to do is pick points 1 and 2. It doesn't matter which two you pick. It doesn't matter what order they go in. Same as before. So I'm just going to pick this to be point 1 and the second one to be point 2. So now I can just jump right into the formula. We know that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, y2 would be 0 minus y1 would be 6 divided by x2 would be 10 minus x1 would be negative 5. So 0 minus 6 is negative 6 divided by 10 minus negative 5 is actually 10 plus 5. So negative 6 over 15, which gets us negative 2 over 5. And there we are. Okay, the last way to determine slope is from a real graph. So what you're going to do is pick 2 points. In this example, they are given to you. So we've got 3, 5, and 1, negative 5. Again, it does not matter which one is point 1. I'm going to use this as point 1, and this is point 2. If they don't label the points for you, pick a place where it crosses at like the blue lines in the back so that you know exactly what the point is. But usually they will give you a point. So let's get our slope formula down. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, y2 would be 5. M equals 5 minus y1 would be negative 5. All over x2 would be 3 minus x1, would be 1. So 5 plus negative 5 is actually 5 plus 5, which would be 10. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 10 over 2 gets us m equals 5. Those are the 3 ways that we can find slope. You should be all set to go out and try this on your own, and I will see you in class.